One zaps. One stands strong. Which one should guard your property? In this breakdown, we'll help you decide whether an electric fence or a traditional one fits your property best. Electric fences offer a psychological barrier. When touched, they emit a mild, safe shock. Ideal for controlling pets, livestock, or keeping intruders away. Traditional fences, like wood or vinyl, physically block access, making them excellent for privacy and home security. Electric fences are easier to install and adjust, but they rely on a power source and need regular voltage checks. Traditional fences take more time to build, but once they're up, upkeep is minimal, mostly just cleaning, occasional painting, or sealing. Electric fences often have a lower initial price, especially for large properties. But factor in ongoing energy use and occasional part replacements. Traditional fences cost more to install, especially with materials like cedar or composite, but they can last decades with proper care. From rustic wood to sleek vinyl, traditional fences give you tons of style options. Electric fences lean minimalist and work well if you don't want to obstruct your view. Think open pastures or wide driveways. Electric fences are generally safe, but you must post visible warnings and ensure you meet local codes, especially near sidewalks or schools. Traditional fences, especially those without sharp edges or splinters, are often a safer bet for homes with kids. Both fences offer great benefits. It's all about what fits your space, lifestyle, and goals. Still deciding? That's where we come in. Call 781-767-3596 or visit kaonfenceinc.com. Let's talk about what's right for your property.